Left for dead, broken down, but it's our blood that feeds this ground. I know.
Where do your passions, your talents, and your energies collide with the needs of your city? Our city has an overflowing amount of creativity, whether it's music or art or even running a business. We at People Loving Nashville believe that these talents should be shared with our community, especially those that are falling through the cracks. In 2020, People Loving Nashville began its work with the Rapid Rehousing Initiative, where we partnered with other agencies in the city to house hundreds of people off the streets of Nashville. There's a critical window from transitioning from homelessness to now homefulness. There's a great need to address the deep traumas and grief experienced on the streets. Envisioning life after homelessness requires unique and creative approaches to healing. In 2022, we're pumped to launch our restoration program. Our goal is to link you as a community, along with our staff and other partners of the city, to bring these unique and creative approaches to healing. We are setting a table to nurture mind, body, and soul. You are invited. Our aim is to provide unique counseling opportunities, whether that be art therapy, or music, or even retreats. We want to provide cooking classes, personal organization classes, financial advice, and even employment opportunities. Most importantly, we want to bring creative and unique introductions to the healer, Jesus, and to continue to tell the story of the kingdom of God and what that looks like here on earth. We believe this holistic approach will continue to promote healing and sustainability for our friends who have bravely ventured off the streets. We are continuing to do our work with relief, community, and connection, and now we want to build restoration. Would you please help us? Currently, we've raised approximately $75,000 towards our $300,000 goal to continue our operations and to move into restoration. Please consider helping us financially. To learn more and donate, visit us at peoplelovingnashville.com.